Hey there. Today we're going to look at how to lock apps on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Once it's open, tap Shortcuts at the bottom left. Now tap the plus icon at the top right to create a new shortcut. Next, tap Add Action and search for Lock Screen. It should appear under Scripting. After selecting it, tap Done in the top right. Now, go to the Automation tab and tap the plus icon. Choose Create Personal Automation, then select App. Tap Choose and pick the apps you want to lock, for example, All Football and App Store. Then tap Done. Make sure Is Opened is selected, then tap Next. Tap Add Action, go to My Shortcuts, and select the shortcut you created that includes Lock Screen. Tap Next, then disable Ask Before Running if you prefer. From now on, whenever one of the selected apps is opened, your iPhone will lock and require a passcode or Face ID for access. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next one.